Hi, it's Dr. Selena Friesen, and I'm going to tell you 3 quick ways that Fighting Blindness Canada offers us optometrists ways to help our patients. So make sure you stick around to the very end because I'm going to tell you about a really fun event that Fighting Blindness Canada is hosting in a couple of weeks. So, good optometry morning. First, you can register your patient to learn about their eye condition and also notify them of any potential clinical trials that include gene or stem cell therapy. So in the past, we would diagnose a patient with an inherited retinal disease, and we would monitor their progression and offer them visual aids as they progress through their disease. But now we can connect patients to clinical trials and research here in Canada and around the world. So, secondly, we can provide your patients with the opportunity to participate in the Young Leaders Program. And this is for people that are partially sighted or low vision or legally blind who are 17 to 30 years old. And they provide tools to develop skills that they can pursue rewarding careers. And every year, this program brings together participants for in-person summits and provides travel scholarships to them to cover their expenses. So the summit facilitates interactions and lets them get insights and opportunities. So this year it'll be virtual and it'll be October 16th to 18th. And what they're going to do is they're going to learn networks that can help them professionally and personally. So on top of that, every year Fighting Blindness Canada also selects national ambassadors. So your patients could be eligible for this. They attend their signature events throughout the year and they get to be interviewed by media. So television, radio, newspaper, and they get to meet other families and people that have experienced vision loss. So thirdly is genetic testing. Very exciting. On August 12th this summer, the Supreme Court of Canada upheld the Genetic Non-Discrimination Act. So simply put, if you get a genetic test done in Canada, the information is now private and cannot be used against you. So that means that insurance companies cannot demand to see your results and deny you coverage, and an employer cannot use the genetic test information to make assumptions on your health or your ability. So with this modern gene testing, there's about a 70% success rate in identifying the mutation and gene of your inherited retinal disease. So in Canada, the cost of the genetic test is covered under the provincial care, but does require a referral. So if your patient finds out their gene, they can visit the website clinicaltrials.gov to see if there's clinical trials that they can be eligible for. So as optometrists, we need to become familiar with the current Luxturna gene therapy clinical trials in Canada because we may have patients that could benefit from this. So as optometrists, we really need to know these free programs and keep up with what is changing. So as I promised, this year, the annual comedy fundraiser. So Comedy from the Couch this year, instead of Toronto, is a virtual event and it's starring Steve Patterson. And I have the link below to this event. So it's going to be a hilarious event. My husband and I are going and we look forward to seeing you there. Have a good optometry day.